You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word in English. If you want to learn more confusing vocabulary, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced in English as chirp. That's British English pronunciation, where the R is not really pronounced in the UK. Chirp. In American English, the pronunciation is more commonly as chirp, but it's quite similar. The sound is a schwa sound, alright? It's an sound. It's not an E. It's not chirp or chirp. No, chirp. How to pronounce English pronunciation, pronounce correctly, chirp. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.